Dongguan Chumei Electronic Technology Co., Limited is a high-tech production enterprise dedicated to and supporting software and hardware research and development and marketing. The company is located in Gaobu Town, Dongguan, with a production base of over 12,000 square meters. It mainly produces teaching all-in-one machines, conference all-in-one machines, smart blackboards, multimedia LCD advertising machines, multimedia touch self-service terminals, and other large screens. It has the most complete and largest product line, from 32 inches to 110 inches, from infrared touch to capacitive touch, from advertising machines to monitors, from teaching and conference machines to smart blackboards, etc. Chumei has electronic whiteboard software systems, industrial control machine control system, advertising information release system, remote video conferencing system, smart blackboard interconnection system, self-service touches queries, and other product lines. We have over 100 independent patent certificates. Products are widely used in education, conference, office, media, medical, banks, governments, and other industries. It has been well received by domestic and foreign customers. Meanwhile, in terms of product production and quality control, we strictly follow the product quality control system and standardized production procedures with scientific management standards, from purchasing, warehousing, production, and finished product storage. Every link is strictly implemented according to ISO 9001. Based on a deep understanding of industry needs and strong independent innovation capabilities, Chumei products have achieved leapfrog development. We provide each customer with more comprehensive and more thoughtful solutions. Focus on product design innovation, focusing on commercial fresh scene applications. Chumei creates a new business model of service home. Meet users' needs in all aspects. Create maximum value for customers. Meanwhile, providing customers with LCD panel product design, mold development to the production of complete machines. With strong quality management and cost control capabilities, it has a competitive advantage in the industry. All along, Catalyst has always adhered to a marketing strategy of both domestic and foreign sales. It has been engaged in OEM, experience in OEM and ODM, and quality and cost control capabilities. With a professional, focused, and innovative attitude, we focus on product research and development and is dedicated to providing global commercial displays. To provide a comprehensive, intelligent terminal display solution,